Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle, no matter how hard they work? The secret lies in one simple choice: focusing on assets instead of liabilities. Come with me on a journey into wealth management where I challenge myself to build a portfolio that thrives only on assets while cutting out liabilities. When it comes to building wealth, there's a fundamental concept that sets the rich apart from the rest: the distinction between assets and liabilities. Wealthy individuals understand that assets put money in their pockets while liabilities take money out. This simple yet powerful concept is the cornerstone of financial success. The truth is, many of us are conditioned to believe that owning a home, a car, or the latest gadgets is a sign of success. But are these really assets or just liabilities in disguise? Think about it. A house, while a great place to live, comes with maintenance costs, taxes, and a mortgage that can drain your bank account. A car, on the other hand, depreciates the moment you drive it off the lot and comes with insurance, fuel, and maintenance expenses. So what are assets then? Assets are investments that generate passive income, appreciate in value over time, or both. They can come in many forms, such as real estate, stocks, bonds, or businesses. The key characteristic of assets is that they put money in your pocket without requiring you to work for it. Many people misunderstand the importance of investing in assets over accumulating liabilities. They often prioritize short-term gains, like buying a new car or the latest smartphone, over long-term wealth creation. This mindset can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt and financial stress. The wealthy, on the other hand, have a different approach. They focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or businesses that can run without their direct involvement. By doing so, they create a steady stream of income that can help them achieve financial freedom. For example, consider real estate investing. When you invest in a rental property, you're creating an asset that can generate passive income through rental payments. At the same time, the property can appreciate in value over time, making it a valuable addition to your portfolio. Another example is investing in stocks. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of income that can help you achieve your financial goals. And here's the thing: it's not just about investing in assets. It's also about avoiding liabilities. Debt, for instance, is a major liability that can drain your finances. Credit card debt, student loans, and personal loans can all take a significant chunk out of your income. Typical liabilities like debt and unnecessary expenses can hold you back from achieving financial success. Unnecessary expenses such as dining out or subscription services you don't use can add up quickly and take away from your ability to invest in assets. So, how can you start applying these principles in your own life? Start by taking a close look at your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. Use that money to invest in assets that can generate passive income. Let us look at a powerful example of someone who transformed their financial situation by prioritizing assets over liabilities. Take a person who, a few years ago, was drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet. They decided to take control of their finances and focus on acquiring assets. They started by investing in a small rental property, which generated a steady stream of passive income. As their income grew, they reinvested it in other assets, such as stocks and bonds. They also made a conscious effort to avoid liabilities like credit card debt and unnecessary expenses. Today, they're financially free and living a life they love. The key takeaways here are simple. Focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income. Avoid liabilities that can drain your finances, and be patient. Building wealth takes time, but with the right strategy, you can achieve financial success. In conclusion, choosing assets over liabilities is a crucial step towards achieving financial success. By understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, you can make informed decisions about how to invest your money and achieve your financial goals. If you've had any experiences with assets and liabilities, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about wealth building strategies, be sure to check out my next video on how to create $1 million portfolio. Building wealth isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset. If you continue to view liabilities as status symbols, you'll always chase short-term satisfaction instead of long-term security. Shifting your perspective is the first step toward true financial independence. Another critical aspect is consistency. It's not enough to buy an asset once and forget about it. The wealthy consistently reinvest, diversify, and monitor their portfolios to maximize growth and minimize risk. Consistency compounds over time, turning small investments into massive wealth. It's also important to remember that every financial journey is personal. What counts as an asset for one person may not be the same for another. For some, it could be real estate. For others, it might be a thriving online business. The key is to choose assets that align with your goals, skills, and lifestyle. Finally, wealth creation is not just about yourself, it's about legacy. When you focus on building assets, you not only securing your financial future, but also creating opportunities for your family and future generations. Assets outlive liabilities, and the decisions you make today can impact your loved ones for decades to come.